Hey, this is how, or we're going to show you how you can create a post on LinkedIn, which is the professional networking site or app, whatever you want to call it. So what you want to do is obviously create your LinkedIn account. And LinkedIn is very, very good for marketing yourself as a business professional, as an entrepreneur. LinkedIn is pretty much your resume these days. You know, how active you stay on LinkedIn can determine the success of your career. But here we're going to show you just how to create posts, because you want to stay updated with your LinkedIn posts so people can see your business philosophy and, things about your business and stuff, and whatever you're marketing. But we'll show you how here. So let's say you've logged into your LinkedIn post here. It says start a post. As you can see, start a post right here. Now, once you click start a post, see, it gives you what's shaking updates. Whatever your name is. Ours right here is what's shaking and whatever you want to talk about. You have the opportunity to add a picture here to select an image to share. Select images to share. And let's just pick one here, actually. So we're going to pick this image here. Whoa, okay. Now, you can edit the image, which is kind of cool, which is you can crop it. So what we're going to do actually here is see how that works, if it works, okay? So we crop and you scroll down, you zoom in and you zoom out. Let's go over here just to keep it a little bit more. Okay, as you can see, you could do all that stuff. Your crop ratio. Square 16:9, however you want to do that. You can also do filters. So let's pick up a good filter here. Maybe wow, that's a little in our face, but yeah, we are back. So we might as well do that. And you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, the saturation. Yay. So let's do the saturation here. See how that is. The contrast here, things really cool with the contrast. It's bright enough. And that's that. So that's how you can edit the picture there. Also, you can tag it, click anywhere you want to tag. So let's just say surprise, or let's tag another business. I guess this is just to tag another business, not a hashtag, I would say. So let's just say what's shaking updates. Actually, there we go. So you can tag there. And then you can alt text, write a description of the text describing we are back, okay? And then you save and done. Now you have your picture here, your image. You could also choose a video, but we chose a picture already, and you have all those options. So that's how you can do it and create a post with your add a picture actually. So I'm going to take that out. Here's for your video. Select a video to share. You can pick a video there. Let's go back. And then add a document, which means you can choose a file or go to your Google Drive or Dropbox to add a document to your post. So let's do that. Sorry, should have just hit back. And these are all the other things that you could do. You could add a photo, add a document, share that you're hiring, which is actually creating a job post, a job opening post, create a poll. You can create an event, find an expert, celebrate an occasion, and add a video. So we've done add a photo, add a video, add a document, celebrate an occasion. It says welcome to the team. Give kudos, project launch, work anniversary, new position, share update, new educational milestone. So you would add all that stuff here, pick everything that you need, and go back. If you want to give kudos, I'm sure you will search for the name of your colleagues here that you want to recognize to give kudos. 2, if you want to welcome somebody to the team, you add the photo there of that person. You click forward, and it gives you the chance to tag them. You want to share a new position, start a new position, add a photo for that, and you could do that. New educational milestone, new certification. So those are some of the other things that you could do with that. Now, that's when we click start a post, that we get to see all these options. But right here, automatically, as you can see, you could add photo from here. You can add video from here. You can add event from here, and you could write articles for here. Okay, so let's just do the photo again. Select images to share. We'll pick that again, and we'll do our edits again real quick. Filters, let's just pick our spotlight filter and adjust, make it a little bit more contrasty here, bright contrast, so it's really in our face. And then crop. Ooh, okay, and then we're done there. All right, now this is where we want to add our captions, and since we're saying we're back, we just want to add our captions. We create our content, we add our captions. Here we use, to create our content, we use Jasper, which just makes us do it pretty quick. So we'll be back soon with updates you wouldn't want to miss out on, exciting, our tone, and then what's the output. Get ready for a surprise. We'll be back with the news you won't want to miss. It's sure to turn heads. Okay, so we're just going to copy this, take it out of the way, and we do have a link for that software if you want to make life easier by not having to think about everything, but it just spitting out the content in that little amount of time. That's even almost way better than you could think about it. The link is included in the comment section. Get ready for a surprise. We'll be back with news you want to miss out. It's sure to turn heads. All right. Okay. Now we can also choose the people we want it to go to. We could choose if we want it to go to anyone, or just our connections only, people that we're connected to, or no one, so that no one can comment. I'm sorry. So this is for your comments. Who can comment on your post? Sorry, not who it goes to. Who can comment on your post? So anyone can comment on your post, or just your connections only, or no one can comment. You get the opportunity to pick that, whatever, depending on whatever your strategy is. Now, you also have the opportunity to schedule it for later. And, view all scheduled posts. And let me just see. When you'd go to next, and then there it is. It's scheduled to be posted. But let's just clear the time, because we're just going to post it now. So those are all the options here. Now, for also the fun stuff, open emoji keyboard. So you also have an emoji keyboard here, which is pretty cool. So let's just say surprise. There we go. There we go. Perfect. That's just perfect. Okay. So get ready for a surprise. We'll be back with news you won't want to miss. It's sure to turn heads. Okay. So we have our picture, we have our caption, and now who can see your posts? Your posts will be visible on feed, on your profile, and search results. So anyone on or off LinkedIn, anyone on or off LinkedIn, post to Twitter, you can do that. Connections only. Connections on LinkedIn. So you get to pick who can see your posts right there. Okay. So we're just doing anyone here. And after you have that all set, you have your caption set up in here. You're all good. You've picked your emoji. You've picked who can comment and whether you want to schedule for later or now. But what we're going to do is just post now. Once you click post, your post should be right here. It should pop up. Get ready for a surprise. We'll be back with news you won't want to miss. It's sure to turn heads. So that's how you can create a post on LinkedIn. And again, it's always very helpful to do this because a lot of people that you work with professionally or that are linked up with your career or your intentions with your career are on LinkedIn, and putting up a good face on LinkedIn, updating people about your philosophy and, teaching them stuff about your industry is really helpful. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope you can now start creating posts on LinkedIn. And if this was, like and subscribe our video, and subscribe to our channel, so we can keep creating great content for you that just makes your life easier. Take care.